All right, guys, no heat on this car, guys. And I checked the antifreeze level on this. It was low. I topped it off. All right, it's leaking. I'm gonna tell the customer to do little service here. We're gonna have to take a look at this. But anyways, the heat did not work on this car, guys. Very simple, guys. Antifreeze is your answer right here. Put antifreeze in this car. Check for leaks. All right, this car is leaking in several places. It has a leak here. It has a leak right there. It has a leak here. This one I don't really care about. But right down there, you can see a lot of buildup. You see, let me put the light right there. You see all that greenness? This car is leaking antifreeze, guys. And this pipe don't look so good. I'm gonna recommend him change pipe, the hose right here, upper hose, lower hose. Check his radiator out. All right, I'm sure there's a leakage somewhere if your antifreeze is low, but the antifreeze can be low a little bit and your heat will not work because the level is not high enough. This antifreeze heats up, then it goes inside the engine and gives you heat. If you rev the engine and you start to get a little bit of heat, either one is low or you have a clogged up heater core. All right, before you make any moves, before you spend a couple of $1,000s, top of your antifreeze, guys. Usually it's a low antifreeze. Anyway, 10 bucks, 12 bucks, I think, something like that. Top of your antifreeze, see what it does. If it's really cold out there and you have no heat, top of antifreeze, and then if the heat does work, flush the system, guys. Just have it flushed out. Probably gonna cost you $150, and that's it. Quick diagnostic, quick fix. If this fixes your problem, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if your heat does not work still after doing this, hit the subscribe button and send me a message, and I will get back to you no matter what kind of car you have. Just send me a message, guys. I will guide you through something before you go to your mechanic, all right? And just check for leak. That's the main thing I'm gonna request you guys to do, all right? Check the level of the antifreeze, and let's take it from there. All right, guys? So bye-bye, subscribe, share, and like all of my videos. It's really cold out here, guys. As you guys can see, I'm all tucked in, got hoodie and a hat. And that's it, guys. So let's wait for another video. If you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button, you will get a notification for my next video, all right? I usually post a video daily. All right, and I also got another channel called RCUSA 201. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you put space in between. RC space USA space 201. All right. Thank you. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.